we're here today, do some hiking way up there in North Georgia. I'm not gonna disclose the location, not just yet, but it's windy, it's cloudy, it's a little bit cold, but we're good. Ladies, want to use the restroom first? Oh, they do. You just have to get to the right lake. No biking? Oh, this is for Max though, not for me. Alright, we're into the trail. This is like a mile and a half?
Half mile.
Oh, half mile?
But it's all straight up.
So it will take us like an hour? Oh, there goes the thunder. We're gonna get hit with the rain. This is warm up for the 5 mile. This is warm up for the 5 mile. This is a straight up hike up to the viewpoint. Ooh. It's been a while since we hiked, so yeah. Goodness.
This is like the mulberry trail.
Worse. This reminds me of Mount Rainier, the first section.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah, the first section of Mount Rainier. Ooh, this is like a very steep incline.
Yeah.
Well, they say try to stay away from the switchback because of the vegetation that they're growing, but there's no. Yeah, they say stay away from it. Whoa, this is steep. Whoa, I can feel my leg burning right now, dude. And we only walk for what, 2 minutes?
100 yards.
100 yards. Whoa, this is steep. Did you hear the thunder rolling? You just keep going. This weather reminds me of grandfather.
Yeah. Maybe later. Yeah.
Maybe, hopefully.
I guess.
This is why we can never get to grandfather the way we want it. Except for that one time.
One time.
I don't know, man. This thing just keeps going up and up and up and up. I'm telling you, this reminds me so much of Mount Rainier
Yeah.
in Washington State. Yeah. Whew. Thank the weather for this. Otherwise, we wouldn't be able to make it. Yeah. Yeah. We should not be complaining at all. Yeah. We should not be complaining at all. Thank the weather for this. Whew. It's been a while since we hiked this much. We just turned this corner. It gets darker and darker.
They start every time.
This is halfway to the half-mile peak. Damn, that thunder is working hard. If we were in the Pacific Northwest, we would be seeing valley. We'll be seeing nice stuff. Here we are being blocked by all this, so I can't see anything. Not just here today, but every hiking trails, every section, every part of the mountains in the southeast, they're all the same. You don't get to see anything until you get to the top.
But they were the Olympic. We only did the rainforest side. We didn't do the really.
Yeah, it's Port Angeles. That's where we stay.
Oh, you guys stay there?
Yeah.
Did you catch the ferry?
No, we didn't have time.
You went around?
We drove straight to Port Angeles.
Oh, and then you guys went to Cali.
Yeah, and then after that, we came back to Seattle, and then after Seattle, then we flew to, we drove to Cali.
Did you guys drive at all? I mean, did you guys do the hike in Olympic?
Yeah.
Oh, c'était jamais mon Hurricane Ridge. Did we go to Hurricane Ridge?
Yes, we did. I think we did. Yeah.
We did so much stuff.
We did a lot of stuff. I have it all documented, but I have to go back and check. But we did a lot.
Yeah.
I still want to go back to Cascade though, because Cascade we only spent a day there. We're almost there.
I think so far, okay. Well, thank goodness we've had practice at Mulberry. Yeah, right?
Not me. I don't know what you guys have been doing in Mulberry, but I haven't done anything in Mulberry.
Yeah.
I went out there one time with you guys.
Hey, that was the practice mode.
Oh, it's getting dark. It's foggy. Still early in the morning. We're almost there. It is steep. I see a clearance right here. We're almost there.
Dude, this is what it was like when we went to the
More climbing. More climbing.
My
Ooh.
knees are crying.
Hey, we're in our mid-50s already.
If it was just you know, smooth climbing,
Yeah.
it's okay, but
I think it's you're so naive.
Cannot see anything.
I'll just see that now.
I mean, look at all this. There's
damn,
nothing. You can't see anything. It's so
crazy.
dark.
Yeah.
I think this elevation got me. I lie. I didn't hike here.
Yeah.
Yeah, Max and I hiked in a different section. So, yeah, the elevation did get me. It got me good. I lie. We didn't hike here. We hike in North Carolina.
Became the first ranger in the Southeast. Now, back when I was just 14 years old, I saw my father kill the last deer in the North Georgia mountains. And I promised then to bring the deer back. But being a ranger gave me that chance. So first I bought 3 deer from the carnival. Then I went to the Pisgah National Game Preserve in North Carolina, and I bought 5 fawns, and I named them Nimble, Billy, Bessie, Nancy, and Bunny Girl. Then later I bought 14 more. Well, the government finally caught on, and they began to increase the herd. Now, I ain't one for official rules. I'm a big man.
It's raining hard now, so we can't go back. We can't hike back. We were not prepared for the rain. We'll have to wait for a little bit. If not, we might have to take the shuttle back or something. Here comes the rain. Oh my gosh. We're up in the mountain, this high up here, and there you go. Look at that. Alright. This is getting really bad. We're so high up here, and now it's raining so hard. Look at this. Yeah, we did 0.5 mile hike, got stuck at the mountaintop, and here we are celebrating our 0.5 mile Mulberry Version 2. All right, second stop at this vineyard. We just left the brewery and now we're at this vineyard right here where we just found. It's actually not bad, y'all. It's pretty. Imagine when it's not raining. I mean, we're in the rain right now, but it's okay. It looks nice. Look at that. Imagine when it's sunny and no rain.
Vineyards.
All right, we are here. We are overlanding. Take the ladies out.
Why you disrespect my car so much? You didn't get out to watch my car go overland.
Mm-hmm. This 4Runner actually made it out here.
Straight down here?
Yeah. Yeah, it looks like the Blue Holes Falls, 1 mile. High Shows
How
Fall,
come it
1.3
doesn't
miles.
show the arrow like this?
I think people are going this way, so they rather do this and go down here. But there you go. Mm-hmm. This is the mog crawler. All right, we're about to get onto the hiking trail. We are going to the Blue Hole Falls and the High Shows Falls.
Ready,
1 mile and one third.
1 mile. So is it 2 miles then? No, or is it?
It's 2 miles for both. So it's a mile and a mile and a third per each. Just watch your steps, Shane. So you got it. You don't need the stick.
Your boots, I can make it.
Yeah, it's muddy. Just don't trip over these roots. These are Max's favorite roots. He loves the root.
This map sucks.
What is it? Oh. What's the point?
I know.
It's just show a route. That's it.
Yeah.
You go until the end.
The rain has stopped for now. Are you guys setting your timer?
Yeah.
Your mileage? Making sure. Watch the route. These are Max's favorite trail to ride his bike on, remember? He loves this.
Ruby?
No, we're just being sarcastic. He hated it. But he complained about this a lot. So we just tell him that look at all these roots. I mean, it's good that there's roots here to kind of give you some traction, especially raining like this. Oh yeah. This definitely has some small wild trout for sure. I saw that. Oh. Right into that water. I was waiting for her to go to the edge, and she chose the other side, and then she about almost fell. Yeah, it's down here. Hold on. So just what's your thing?
Tomato. Okay. Pick up, okay.
Mấy cô biết sao trắng của Yeah. Good. Alright ladies, we're here at the fall. I think so. So everybody's just jumping, huh? Alright, so these guys up there, they're gonna be jumping down. I don't know, it's so murky that you can't even see the bottom, but we'll see how it goes. They're right there, yeah. Exactly. No, not yet. Ooh. It must be really deep. This is crazy. I don't know if I would do it. If I was young, if I could see the bottom. If I could see the bottom, I would jump, but if I don't see the bottom at all. There you go. I wouldn't do it if I can't see the bottom. Or have some idea.
It's too murky.
Còn nó sẽ chỉ chỉnh bị kẹt lết con tay to. Look at these guys. No fear. Damn, I gotta give it to these guys right there. What's over here? Oh, there's some people over there too. Is that the right trail that we're going? Let me ask them. Hold on, I'm gonna ask them. So we just came out of this the waterfall that we were supposed to see today, in which we got here. It rained today, but it's actually a good thing for us. It was, you know, of course right now the sun's up, but earlier it was cloudy. It was nice and warm, but not too warm, not too cold. It's perfect to hike, although, you know, it's slippery, muddy because of the rain earlier. And then we got to the lake, or not the lake, we got to the waterfalls. There's like tons of people just swimming and jumping off the cliffs into the water pool. So that was kind of cool to watch. Got all that on videos, of course. Now we're heading to our second swimming pool. We're not swimming today, but we are actually just exploring, so we want to go see what's going on. And we're going back to the same river, but just another location. And let's see what it looks like in a little bit, but we're almost there. Woo, look at this. Thank goodness for the switchbacks.
I want to keep going, right?
Yeah, you come this far.
We're almost there. There's no turning back. Coming back up, it's going to be another struggle. It is not easy to climb back up this mountain because of the rain that we just got. Muddy, slippery. All right, finally made it to the second waterfall. Wow, this one is huge. It's higher than the other one, of course. All right, we came, we conquered, we saw, we've been here, we've done that, and we're heading back home. So it's actually a pretty good day. It turned out to be a pretty good day. Even though with the rain stuff, it helps with the hiking. If you guys want to come, let us know. We'll make another trip here. It is fun, it is great. It's good for your health. Now we're just gonna have to do this. All right, now we're gonna have to climb this back up. It is pretty steep. I kid you not. Look at this climb. My goodness. Whew. Big bug. Yeah, we came down.
Yeah, sure.
We came down. She's all sneaky. Yeah, go.
Step.
You want to climb and make it up there, not climb and then we have to call 911 for you. I'm the guy that doesn't do anything but sit at home. So if I'm okay, you guys should be okay. You guys want to go to the gym a lot. Yes, it does. It does. It has a lot to do with physical shape. Like physically active. There you go. You guys made it. There you go. Good job. All right, we finally made it back. Almost there, 20 yards away. We finally made it back. It is not easy hiking in the rain, slippery trails, crossing water or river, up and down the switchbacks. If Shane can do it, so can you.
That's right.
Back at the car, get our sandwich. My wife's gonna surprise us with her cooking. Let's see what she got. This is her hiking specialty. It's right there. Boiled chicken. Yep.